Morning and Assalamu alaikum. This lecture is for grade 10 biology, and our topic of today is renewable and non-renewable resources. First of all, we will take a look at natural resources. Natural resources are the resources which we are getting from the nature. Natural resources are being divided into land resources, forest resources, animal resources, the things which we are getting from animal, agriculture resources, the things which we are getting from our lands by growing the crops and the vegetables or whatever it is. Mineral resources, marine resources are resources which we are getting from the water. Now we classify the natural resources into two main classes: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources which we can use again and again, non-renewable which we can use once and we cannot use the same resource again, we have to take a new one. So now we will discuss one by one renewable and non-renewable resources with their examples. First, natural resources. We will take a look at what are the natural resources actually are. All of the earth's organisms, air, water and soil, as well as materials such as oil, coal and ore that are removed from the ground, are called natural resources, separated into two broad categories: renewable and non-renewable resources, as I told you before. First of all, renewable resources are any resource that cycle. Renewable resources are the resources which recycle or can be replaced within a human lifespan. Example include water, crops, wind, soil, sunlight, animal, etc. All the renewable resources. Food and fiber are renewable agricultural resources that can be harvested or raised unless their use exceeds the rate they can be replaced. Soil is also a renewable resource. Wind, caused by the uneven heating of the earth, not only renewable but inexhaustible. Sunlight is renewable. Water is renewable. However, freshwater resources are somewhat limited. Biomass fuels are renewable. Organic matter, wood, plants, animal residues that contain stored solar energy used to supply energy to 15% of the supply. So these all are geothermal energy. These all are the renewable resources. You can use it again and again. Non-renewable resources: any resource that cannot be replaced during the time of human life span, took millions of years to form and exist in the fixed amount of the earth. They need to be conserved before they become depleted. For example, ores and minerals, they cannot be renewed. They take too much time to make a new one. Metallic ores, non-metallic ores, these are non-fossil fuels. All are the fossil fuels. For example, oil, coal, peat are fossil fuels are non-renewable because they take millions of the years to form. You cannot make quickly within months or within years. They take hundreds of years or thousands of years to produce. So these are the non-renewable resources. In developed countries, the fossil fuels are mainly coal, natural gas and oil. Coal, lignite, bituminous, anthracites, peat. You have to read this, and what you have to do, you have to write the 10 examples of renewable resources and 10 examples of non-renewable resources. This is it for today. Thank you very much. Have a good day ahead.